Hello friends, welcome to Aryabhatta Career Academy. Today in this video I am going to explain multiplication of a vector with a scalar. In my previous video I explained the differences between scalars and vectors as well as the different types of vectors. So today's video regarding the multiplication of a scalar with a vector, or if you multiply a vector with a scalar, what will be its result? So the content is multiplication of a vector with a scalar. That means we have to multiply a vector with a scalar. Suppose let A be a vector and M be a scalar. I am going to multiply vector A with scalar M. That means the result will be a new vector. This is a vector. So whenever you are multiplying a scalar with a vector, the result will be a vector and its direction will be the direction of a original vector, and its magnitude will be the product of the scalar and vector magnitude. So I can say that the product of a scalar with a vector is a vector. The product of multiplication of a scalar with a vector is a vector and its direction is equal to direction of the original vector. So in this case, A is the original vector, B is the product vector. Its direction is equal to direction of the vector A. Now I can write, suppose I am writing this vector B is equal to scalar M and vector A. I can write this is like this way. This is the magnitude, this is the direction. So here I can write A cap. That means I have splitted the vector in the form of product of a scalar and its direction. In this case, the M is a scalar. What is its value? It may be positive, it may be negative, it may be 0. Three conditions are there. The three conditions I am explaining here. See here. Suppose if M greater than 0, M greater than 0 means it is positive. If M is positive, in this case I can write that direction of B is equal to direction of A. At the same time, I can write that B is equal to M into A. See here, direction equal to direction, here magnitude. I said that the magnitude of the resultant vector depends upon the scalar and vector's magnitude. So this is the case when the M is positive. In this case, both A and B are parallel. Okay, this is the case 1. Second case, if M less than 0, that means it is negative. In that case, I can write that B is equal to, the directions will be opposite. The magnitude will be same, no doubt at all. That B will be equal to M into A. Okay. And what about this vector A and vector B are anti-parallel. Okay. This is the second case. That means M is negative. That means the scalar is a negative number. What we are doing? I am explaining how to multiply number with a vector. I have mentioned scalar. Scalar is the magnitude, or you can say it is a number. Third case, if M equal to 0, that means if the scalar is 0, then the vector B will be absolutely 0. So this is the case, 3 cases. The scalar may be positive, it may be negative, or it may be 0. How to represent it in diagrammatically? See that. Suppose this is the vector A. This is the vector 2 into A. If it is, this is minus A. So here the vector A, I have taken 2A because 2 times its magnitude is 2 times, but directions are same. But this is minus, that means I have multiplied the scalar, which is a negative number. Both magnitudes are appearing same, but the directions are opposite. So this is the facts about the multiplication of a vector with a scalar. So children, in my next video, I would like to explain regarding the addition and subtraction of vectors. Until then, bye.